this is Ro from the TechFairies. I wanted to do a plan with me for this week. It is Sunday, February 3rd, and this is my teacher planner. So I'm just going to open it up here. It's quite big, so this is the big teacher planner here. I'm going to take it out of the case here. You can see that I use this back pocket to put in all of my quarter sheets in there. Go ahead and move that out of the way. And so I do have a Cricut, so I die cut my, or cut, not die cut, my stuff out. So I am using this teacher planner, like I said, in the big. I use one of the adhesive pockets here, and I love frogs, so here's my post-it notes, and then I do have dashboard and my stuff here. So I'm just going to flip through because there are some things here that I cannot show you, and I didn't take it out ahead of time. So I'm going to flip over to February. So I don't use this page. I don't know what I would repurpose it for right now, but I don't use it. But I do use the monthly. And so we are a PBIS school, and so I do cut it out and then I glue it in here. And you can see these are sticky notes on there, and so I use my monthly all the time. And then if I flip over, you'll see that this week was blank. I actually ended up doing it and printing this out. But I'm gonna do this next week, the 4th through the 8th. And what I mean by printing out, let me go here to January. So let me take some things out of here. There we go. So this is my January to-do list right here. And so this came from a monthly extension pack, and I made that to-do list. But I print, since this is the 8.5 by 11, I print right on my Happy Planner pages. So just to give you a view here, so here's what it looks like blank, and then you would have to label it, put your stickers, and I don't have time to be writing our routine, I would say, every time. And so what I do is I print on them. So I'm going to show you how I actually do that. So I'm going to get my teacher pages ready. I'm actually going to pull them out here. So pull them all out. So I missed that first week. I'm just going to leave it like that. And then I have my teacher pages. Now before I go print them out, I'm going to make sure that I print out one just on regular blank paper to make sure things line up, and to remind myself how my printer actually feeds. So I'll show you what I mean. My computer, and I used a Google slide, and I just changed the page setup. So I just went here to page setup, and I changed it to 8.5 by 11, so that way I can get the slide this size, because the Happy Planner pages are 8.5 by 11. Then I went in and I scanned the image. You can see there's an image there, and it's actually on the master. Sorry, I'm getting the pinwheel of death here. I'm going to go to the master slide. So basically I put this in as a background image, so you can see when I select it, the blue little squares. So I did that, and then there is another one right here as well. So that way they appear in the background, and you see when I click, I can't accidentally move it. The rest of these here are just text boxes. So they're shapes and text boxes. You can change them. You can add whatever you need. Here's my second page over here, and they're all text boxes. So you can click on them and you can put in what you need. So, but here's how you're going to print them. If you don't delete this back image behind here, then it's going to print double. It'll look blurred on your paper. So what I do is I go here to View Master. I select that. I delete it. Then I go straight down. Oops. Sorry. My computer. There we go. Select and I delete. When I do that, it now is completely blank. And then I will print my pages. When I'm all done printing, I will then go back and undo. So that way the grids or the background, scanned image comes back on there. So I will make sure that I link this template for you in the video for you. Hope that was helpful. Don't forget to delete these images, print, and then press the undo button so those images come back. Hope this was helpful. So these are the test pages. I'm using my phone right now, and you can see that it says here July. We're obviously not in July, we're in February, but these are just the test pages. So my printer, I need to make sure that the back page is loaded first, because it will print this page first and then this one. That's why I always recommend to print out a test page first. That way you know how to set up your planner pages. So my planner pages have to go upside down, and the second page is being loaded first on there, and then I did get rid of the master. Let me show you. It no longer has the image in the background, so they're both blank. That way when they print, they don't have this image in the background. Alright, so I finished printing all of the pages. Fixing stuff here. Okay, so I wanted to show you something. I don't know why it's coming out with a black text box when on the computer screen it is transparent, but I will figure that out later. But I wanted to show you what happens when you forget to remove the image in the background. Because I forgot to remove the image, I had to cancel the printing, and now it looks all blurry. But it's okay. I did remember for this one, so this is for this next upcoming week. And then the following week, put this back page on, the last week in February, and then the last page there. So I'm going to pop them back in to my planner here, and here we go. Here's my first week all printed. My next week here as well. And then the third week. Hope you found this video useful. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos, please make sure to subscribe, and have a great day. Bye.